My name is Sarah, and today we are going to be talking about how to recover a WhatsApp account that has been hacked. So imagine you wake up one day and find that your WhatsApp account has been hijacked, and your friends are receiving these spam messages. They usually send spam messages. What do you do in that scenario? So I want to first begin by sharing a scenario that happened 2 weeks back. Someone's WhatsApp account was hacked, and guess how they managed to hack the account? First, she has a boss. Of course, she has a boss at work, the owner, the person who employs her. So the hackers decided to send the boss a phishing link. And when they send the boss the phishing link, the boss, clicked on the link. And the link was involving a promotion. Of course, it wasn't really a promotion. It was a way of extorting money from the boss. So when the boss clicked on the link, they took over his phone, everything, the email accounts, the WhatsApp accounts, the contacts and all that. So they got the contacts of the boss and decided to send a WhatsApp message to every contact. And one of the contact happened to be this girl whose WhatsApp account was hacked. So when she received the the link, of course, she thought that the link was from her boss, and that gave her a reason to, trust the boss and all that. Yet, actually, it was the boss's account which was hacked, and the hackers were the ones, sending the messages. And then she clicked on the link because she trusted the boss. When you receive a message from your boss, you really think that, oh my God, this is a good message. Maybe they are giving out money, this and this and this and this and all that. Yeah, so she clicked on the link, and then she realized that, the content which was in the link was a bit, suspicious. And she called her boss to confirm if the link was really from him, and the boss confirmed to her that, no, my WhatsApp account was hacked. So her phone was taken over, like everything was hijacked. The contacts were hijacked, the WhatsApp was hijacked, the email was hijacked, just like the way the boss's account was hijacked. And she was there very stuck, and all her contacts were now receiving the phishing link. So it's like a chain. When a hacker sends you, a phishing link to your WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp account ends up being hacked, then he will hijack the account and as well, send phishing links to the rest of your contacts. And usually they do this to extort money or steal particular login details, for malicious reasons. So what did we do in the scenario of that girl? The damage was so much. We had to reset her phone because everything was damaged. The process of restoring our WhatsApp account, not even just restoring, but the process of securing our WhatsApp account is always, very simple, that it can be ignored. It will be looked at as a simple thing that is not necessary. But the process of setting up a PIN for your WhatsApp account is very important, and it will save a lot of data that is in your phone. So back to restoring a WhatsApp account. What do you do if your WhatsApp account has been, hijacked and all that? So the first thing you got to do is uninstall the WhatsApp. Yeah, uninstall the WhatsApp from your phone, and then attempt to reinstall it. So if you don't know how to uninstall your WhatsApp, you just, press on it. Let's imagine it's among the, the main apps on your phone. Long press on it, and it will show the option of uninstalling. You click there, and the app will be installed. Another option is through the settings. So you can go to apps, then scroll down to WhatsApp, and then, uninstall it. So after uninstalling it, then you reinstall the WhatsApp again to your device. So when you reinstall it, of course, they will ask for your WhatsApp number and all that. Repeat putting in the same WhatsApp number, and then you receive the code the same way that you installed your WhatsApp. So usually what happens is that when someone else tries to, install the same WhatsApp that the hacker has been that the hacker has installed in another place, the WhatsApp attempts to uninstall the other account that the hacker has already installed. So reinstalling the WhatsApp uninstalls the app from the hacker's phone, because you cannot have the same WhatsApp account in two devices. So you can imagine. So if you are lucky enough and the hacker hasn't put in a pin, like that is the second layer of security, the two-factor authentication, then it is going to be very easy. So you just reinstall the app, and then yeah, you restore back your WhatsApp account. But then after you restore it, you got to put in a PIN to protect your account. That setting up the PIN is always a very simple process that it can be ignored. That's why most people's WhatsApp accounts are always, affected. They are affected so much. So always protect your accounts. Go to the settings of your WhatsApp, and then set up a new pin and all that. Yes, so if let's say a pin has been set on your account and the account was hijacked, follow the same process of recovering the WhatsApp account, and then you can say forgot pin or maybe reset pin or something like that. Then you'll have to wait for something like about a week to, you know reset the pin. And then also the thing that you got to do is to message WhatsApp itself. Message the WhatsApp team and let them know that your account has been hijacked, so that they block the hacker from sending, additional messages. So I work with iWorldCat Technologies, SMC Limited, and we've helped quite a good number of people to, secure their WhatsApp accounts after they have been hacked. What happens is that sometimes the issues are really very, very tense. The damage has been done. So what we have to first do is send the WhatsApp team a message to block the hacker from causing more damage. And I'm really, really so grateful to WhatsApp that they always respond immediately. In less than 24 hours, you find that the action has been done. So the last time we attempted to recover someone's account was when the hacker had hijacked his account and had spread a lot of malicious links, and then WhatsApp had closed the account. So what I did in that case was send the WhatsApp team a message informing them that the account was hacked. That's why malicious messages had been sent, and that they should help open the account up again. And in less than 24 hours it was done. And so you should not worry. You should not worry. You should not be hyper. Do not have to gain pressure. Yeah, don't get pressure when your account is hacked. Just uninstall the app and reinstall it, and then you get your WhatsApp account. And then prevention is always better than cure. Doctors love saying that prevention is better than cure, and in this case, prevention is also better than cure when you're protecting your account. So set up a pin. That small pin is very important. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Do not click on links anyhow, because just one click like this will hijack all the content on your phones. So thank you so much for listening to this video, listening to this. I don't know, should I call it a tutorial? Right, no, it's not a tutorial, but this is just a simple guide. Have a good day.